I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're here in the shed working on the van. This week we are working on the roof of the van.
So this week we fitted the Maxx fan and 2 solar panels and wired them up.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it.
Hi guys, so fitting the solar panels, we're joining 2 solar panels in parallel. To mount them to the roof we use 50mm angle stainless, and to wire it up we just put the wires down through the holes in the vane that were already there, covering it with a junction box and silicone around to make it waterproof.
Not looking.
To fit the Maxx fan in the roof, we measured where we wanted it to go and cut the hole earlier on in the week. Then we fitted this bracket and siliconed all the way around to prevent any leaks. We'll show you a recap now of how we cut the hole.
We'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Yeah, let's go. Be free. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. Get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me.
That's where we leave it this week. Thank you for watching our video.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
Bye.
Bye!